Hi everyone, welcome to goclasses. How are you all?
Hi everyone, how was your AIMT? So just let us know if audio and video everything is fine, and then we will just share few things that we want to share today.
Audio, video, volume, echo, and you. Are you fine? Let me know.
दीपक वो व्यू ना मल्टी स्पीकर करना एक बार.
मल्टी स्पीकर ही है, एक सेकेंड। गैलरी कर देता हूँ। अब ठीक
हम्म,
है।
हम्म. Okay, so I think many people have joined. How are you everyone? So, we hope that most of you have attempted AIMT 3, and it might be bad, it might be good. So, this session is all about you and all about your, the kind of things that you are going through currently. So, we will discuss many things today. Let us know if you are excited to listen the points that we are going to share and you are ready. Let us know in the comments, and then we will just have a short session, not very long session, just a short session, and then we will have after the session we will have live discussion of questions. Okay.
So let me tell all of you that in All India Mock Test 3, in AIMT 3, 4,259 students, they attempted, I think 61 students because there are two unsubmitted attempts. So total 4,261 students. These many students, they attempted All India Mock Test 3 for GATE CS 2026 aspirants conducted by goclasses. First of all, I want to thank each and every one of you. So we are really very grateful, and we are very happy that you trusted goclasses. You trusted our All India Mock Test, our test series courses. So I hope that it was an rewarding experience for you as well. So let us know, how was All India Mock Test 3, AIMT 3? What was your point of view? Just share your opinion. Others, don't worry about others' opinion. Whatever you felt, how was AIMT 3 according to your preparation, according to your analysis? So let us know. Was it easy, moderate, hard, lengthy, conceptual, tricky, basically like any category that you can think of? Just let us know. And one more thing, just let us know. Whatever was the level, for a moment, forget about the level. Did you enjoy All India Mock Test 3, AIMT 3? One more thing, I and Sachin, when we started All India Mock Tests, then we basically thought that we will provide you in every All India Mock Test, we will provide you 65 newly framed questions. So that it will be very good for your practice. So maybe there may be, two, three, four questions you might have seen earlier also, but most of the questions, I think, out of 65, I think around 60 questions, maybe more than 60 questions, are newly framed. These questions you might not have seen before. So that is kind of experience that we want to give you, because when you attempt GATE 2026 exam, then you will find some newly framed questions, some new questions will be there. GATE exam does not repeat, the old questions. You will see some same concept but in a newly framed question, same concept in a different version. So that kind of experience we want to give you through our All India Mock Test. So please let us know, how was AIMT 3, and did you enjoy it?
Yeah, so I also like to thank everyone for attempting the test. So I think this number speaks a large volume, 4,250 or 460, something like that, 4,261, I think. So this is a huge number, and I think this is highest number for Go classes also, and we have not seen in any AMT. In previous AMT, it was close to 4,000, and previous to that, which is AMT one, it was 3,800, and last year we were very close to 3,200 or something. I mean, we were not able to cross, I think, 3,500 even. But this year we started with 3,800, which says that students are trusting Go classes more. And like, you might have heard a famous quote, which is like, with great power comes great responsibility. So I'm not saying it's a power, but definitely it's a responsibility, because these many students are attempting the test, and we are very much responsible for your 3 hours. So we make sure that all of the questions that we make, you ultimately get satisfaction. For example, like there might be the questions which you might not be able to solve. Like, let me give you just, like, this is not a technical discussion, but let me give you just one example. See, in operating systems, we many times we study semaphores, right? How many of you were able to do that question that we have asked, one theoretical question related to semaphore, P and V semaphores, that how we are going to implement P and V semaphores? So Deepak, P and V में भी वो इंक्रीमेंट डिक्रीमेंट होता ही है, राइट? और पी एंड वी मतलब रेस कंडीशन को बचाने के लिए आए थे कि रेस कंडीशन नहीं हो, इसलिए पी एंड वी आए। लेकिन पी एंड वी के अंदर खुद इंक्रीमेंट डिक्रीमेंट है। तो ये
तो
डाउट मुझे
उसको एटॉमिक कैसे रखें?
हाँ, उसको
ऐसा?
एटॉमिक कैसे रखना है,
ओके।
क्योंकि पियोन भी खुद एटॉमिक के लिए आए थे कि उसको एटॉमिक रखें। तो ये डाउट मुझे जब मैं ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स पढ़ा रहा था उस टाइम पहले भी मुझे डाउट था, लेकिन मैंने इतना मतलब नोटिस नहीं किया मेरी गेट प्रिपरेशन के टाइम पे, मतलब चलने दिया। लेकिन इस लाइक लास्ट टू लास्ट ईयर जब मैं मतलब पहली बार मैंने जब ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स पढ़ाया, तो फिर मैंने देखा कि ये कुछ तो मतलब इसमें लॉजिक होगा। फिर मैंने सर्च किया, एंड यू वॉन्ट बिलीव, गैल्विन में बस एक लाइन लिखी हुई है, बस एक सिंगल लाइन लिखी हुई है कि उसका रीजन क्या है, कि मतलब पी एंड बी कैसे मेक श्योर करते हैं। एक्चुअली उसमें भी बिजी वेटिंग होती है, लेकिन वो बिजी वेटिंग बहुत ज्यादा शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन के लिए होती है। और वो उसका मतलब बस एक लाइन में लिखा हुआ है, और उस एक लाइन को मैंने वीडियो में आधे घंटे बताया था, मतलब जब लेक्चर जब पढ़ाया था, कि ये पूरा गैल्विन का स्क्रीनशॉट शेयर करके कि वो कैसे होता है। एंड देन आई थॉट कि ये एक्चुअली मैंने मतलब लाइव लेक्चर के टाइम पे वो चीज पूछी थी, देयर वर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, कि आप बताओ कि कैसे होता होगा। और मैंने कम से कम 5 से 10 मिनट दिए थे, बट पीपल वर जस्ट गैसिंग, क्योंकि वो तो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, वो बस गैस कर रहे थे। एंड नन ऑफ देम वर करेक्ट, एंड देन आई शेयर्ड गैल्विन स्क्रीनशॉट। तब वो देन मतलब दैट वाज सम काइंड ऑफ यूरो का मोमेंट, कि अच्छा ऐसे होता है। देन दिस टाइम आई थॉट कि यार ये तो गेट कभी भी पूछ सकता है ना, क्योंकि गेट जनरली मतलब वेरी मच रेफर्स स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स। तो अगर गैल्विन में या कोई भी स्टैंडर्ड बुक में, और गैल्विन पर्टिकुलरली ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स के लिए अगर एक भी लाइन लिखी हुई है, तो गेट कभी भी उस चीज को पूछ सकता है। जैसे हमने लास्ट टाइम उलमान का एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था कंपाइलर डिजाइन का, कर्नल और नॉन कर्नल आइटम्स का। तो क्वेश्चन तो मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि क्वेश्चन बहुत ज्यादा टफ था, बट क्वेश्चन वाज वेल फ्रेम्ड, एंड क्वेश्चन वाज मोर इंपोर्टेंटली क्वेश्चन वाज गिवन इन उलमान। तो बेसिकली हमने ये नोटिस किया है कि गेट स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स को बहुत ज्यादा तवज्जो, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा एकदम फुटेज देता है। तो हमें भी देना चाहिए, और तो वही थॉट प्रोसेस के साथ साथ हम एआईएमटी बनाते हैं, कि लाइक जो भी स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स में है, कम से कम वो हम एआईएमटी के थ्रू पूछ सकें, ताकि आपको अगर नहीं भी आए, तो बाद में आप उसको जब देखोगे सॉल्यूशन, तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि हाँ ये मतलब कैसे होता है। सो इफ यू हैव नोटिस लाइक मैनी थिंग्स, लाइक many questions we give based on the thing that is given in the standard book, and a gate can anytime ask, like there are many things। अभी तो मतलब this is not a technical discussion, तो अभी हम उसमें नहीं जा रहे, but I will just tell you in my session that like what are the questions that we have directly taken from standard books, either theoretical question or the numerical questions.
Yes.
Okay.
So basically, gate many times it has happened. I can provide you hundreds of examples where gate has taken standard resource question as it is, okay, without making any changes, standard books questions as it is. So we are also thinking that in every all India mock test, maybe maybe 5 questions, 5 to 10 questions you will find, which will be from the very famous standard books. But those questions you will see for the first time in Go classes only, because we have to frame them into MCQ, MSQ, NAT. Okay, we have to convert that question, that theorem, that statement. Sachin is saying that in Galvin one line is given, but that single line we have to convert to MCQ question. Then we provide you the complete explanation, complete analysis. So that is how you basically get closer to the top rank in the gate exam. So, and actually if we are discussing question of Sachin, तो मैं भी क्यों पीछे रहूं? तो just I just want to ask
नहीं,
you
वो
one
एक,
question. In
हाँ
AIMT3 there was one question based on LA-LR1 parser. So I
हाँ
was asking that LA-LR1 parsing technique, it is based on which items? LR0 items, LR1 items. Also, it is based on which automaton? LR0 automaton, LR1 automaton. So what do you think? What was the answer? Anyone here? What answer did you mark? Let me know. LALR1 parsing technique. It is based on, it uses which items? LR0 item, LR1 items, and it is based on which automaton? LR0 or LR1. So what was your answer? Which answer did you tick? Let me know. then I will also let you know what will be the answer. So many students are saying LR1 automaton. Actually, that is wrong. See, okay, just let me quickly tell you. I will not go into the detail, but in our Go classes LALR1 lecture, all these concepts we have seen in a very nice way. But let me finally give you the conclusion. So basically, LALR1 parsing technique, let me tell you, that uses LR1 items. LR1 items are used, but it is based on LR0 automaton. And also, this question is also taken from Ullman and Stanford. So I have provided, if you check the explanation below this question on the gate overflow, under this question, you will find there is a video I have provided. Just watch the first 1 hour of that video. I have provided Go classes LALR1 complete lecture I have provided. Okay, just watch the first 1 hour. You can watch the complete lecture also, but just watch the first 1 hour of that lecture. You will really understand, you will truly understand what is LALR1 parsing technique. It basically uses the LR1 items, but it is actually based on LR0 automaton. And this question, again, I'm telling you that this is taken from Ullman and Stanford. Okay, actually, Sachin has also taught compiler design. So we were having a discussion about this particular question. So let me just quickly tell you. Normally, when you create for any grammar, when you create LR1 automaton, then what you do? First, you create the LR1 automaton. Then you merge the states which have the same core, the states with the same core, those you merge, then you get your LALR1 automaton. So then what students think? Students think that this LALR1 automaton, this is based on LR1 automaton, because first you are creating the LR1 automaton, then you are merging the states with the same core. But let me tell you, this is just one method of creating LALR1 automaton. For any given grammar, there is another method to create LLR1 automaton. And what is that? Let me tell you, that is given in the standard resources. But the method is like this. For any grammar, what you do? First, you create LR0 automaton. You don't have to create LR1 automaton. First, you create LR0 automaton. Then in that LR0 automaton, you add the look aheads. Okay, so basically create LR0 automaton plus you add the LR1 look aheads. Those look aheads you add. So finally you will get your LLR1 automaton. That's it. So this was a very nice question taken from Ullman book, and I'm very sure that someday this question can be asked in the gate exam. Maybe someday, some professor will be thinking, okay, let's ask this question, because many students might be thinking that LLR1 is based on LR1 automaton. So I hope you, this type of questions, I can assure you that in the exam, in the Go classes mock test, in the Go classes AIMT, you will do it wrong. Okay, but I can promise you one thing, that when this question will come in the gate exam, you will thank us that you will thank yourself that you did it wrong in the Go classes mock test, but now you did it right. Okay, so this has happened in the last years also, in 2025, 2024, 2023. In the last 4 5 years, this type of feedback we have gotten many times for many questions, that sir, similar question was there in your test, in your mock test, in your quiz, in your AIMT, and there we did it wrong, but in the gate exam we did it right. Okay, so that is the whole purpose of mock test. No one is going to ask you the marks of Go classes AIMT. आप आईआईटी में एडमिशन के लिए जाओगे तो ऐसा थोड़ी है कि चलो गो क्लासेस के एमटी के मार्क्स दिखाओ, ठीक है, बट दिस इज जस्ट फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस, सो दैट यू बिकम टॉपर ऑफ द गेट एग्जाम. तो ये सारे प्रैक्टिस मैचेस हैं. आपको वर्ल्ड कप अगर जीतना है तो पहले प्रैक्टिस मैचेस आपको खेलने हैं, वार्म अप मैचेस यू कैन से. तो जब कोई वार्म अप मैच होता है तो उसके अंदर हम इस चीज की टेंशन नहीं लेते कि उस वार्म अप मैच के अंदर हम जीते कि हारे. हम इस चीज को मेक श्योर करते हैं कि सारे प्लेयर्स की बैटिंग आ जाए, सारे प्लेयर्स की बॉलिंग आ जाए. आपने देखा होगा, कोई अगर क्रिकेट के आप फैन हो, इन द क्रिकेट वार्म अप मैचेस यू मे हैव सीन, once a batsman will make 50, as soon as he will make 50 he will retire and the next batsman will come, because their purpose is to make sure that everyone is ready. So similarly, your purpose should be, from these mock tests, from the test series, from the AIMT, your purpose should be that you are overall ready from all point of view. Gate 2026 can be easy, moderate, lengthy, hard, very hard, the hardest of so far, the easiest of so far. It can be any level. We don't know. No one knows. If someone is telling you that, okay, reality of Gate 2026 exam, Satrangi reality, dark reality, if you are seeing this type of videos, then let me tell you, these are just for the views. those people are making these videos just for the views, कि देखो देखो 7 साल पहले आईआईटी, कौन सी आईआईटी ने बनाया था, आईआईटी रुड़की ने, अभी कौन सा बना रहा है सचिन
पता नहीं, मतलब शायद
इस बार? आईआईटी
रुड़की
रुड़की
बना
बना रहा है शायद, है ना?
रुड़की बना रहा
आईआईटी
है।
रुड़की बना रहा है क्या? So basically, now what many people will do on YouTube, you may have seen many teachers what they will do. Okay, let's solve all the IIT Roorkee questions. Okay, many students what they will be doing, they will be analyzing the IIT Roorkee past year questions. So let me tell you,
This is just for view again.
yeah,
हाँ.
this is just for YouTube views. Okay, and maybe uh, students who are doing this, maybe they are not aware about how the questions are made. So let me tell you, the questions are not made by particular like IIT Roorkee. Okay, the questions are made by all the professors, basically from all the IITs, IISc Bangalore, from all these 8 top colleges. The professors, they make question, and this is just organizing committee. They will just organize the exam like admit card, center, okay, application form, so result, all these things. Okay, so this is just a organizing committee. The questions will not be made by the professors of that particular college. Okay, the questions will be made by all the IITs, IISc Bangalore, all the 8 colleges, their professor, they will create question, multiple questions they will create, and from those questions, some questions will be selected. So like this, it happens. Okay, so that's why I am saying that no one knows how the gate 2026 will be. So you must be ready for it. It should not happen that you are surprised in the gate 2026 exam कि यार ये तो बहुत easy आ गया इसलिए मैं अटक गया. I have seen this. Many students, they what they do after the gate exam, they will say, sir अचानक से बहुत ही easy पेपर आ गया इसलिए मेरे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन रह गए. सर अचानक से बहुत ही हार्ड पेपर आ गया इसलिए मेरे क्वेश्चन रह गए. So this type of excuses, or I can say this type of statements, you will see after the gate exam. So make sure one thing, that before the gate exam, you just remove all the surprises. In our Go classes AIMTs, we will provide you the easiest AIMT also. Maybe it has already come. If if it did not come, maybe it will come in future. Okay, but we will provide you the hardest paper also, moderate also, lengthy also, conceptual also, tricky also. All the experiences you can get in our mock test, in our AIMTs. That is the overall point, so that you are not surprised in the gate 2026 exam.
Right. So basically, let me tell you one instance. One of the student messaged me just now that sir, my marks got dropped from 65 to something like 59, and he was feeling demotivated. See, there are like many times we have shared the thing that these AMT marks really doesn't matter. Like, I mean, I don't know any other way to convey this, but many of the student has got really conveyed, and a few of the students are really doubting us. Okay, कि ये तो बस बोल रहे हैं, मतलब it is not the reality, but we have, we have the ways to convey. We have shown you the data also. Like for example, we have shown you many toppers. Piyush, who has got AIR 1 in gate 2024, he got 52 or 53 marks in AIMT 1 of go classes, and then ultimately he has got 91 marks in gate 2024. Similarly, Hemant, who has got AIR 7 in gate 2025, he got, I think, somewhere around 47 in Go classes AIMT 1, and finally he got AIR 7. So the thing here is that in AIMTs your marks will keep on fluctuating. Like maybe it is 60, sometimes it is 55, sometimes it is 50. I mean, it will even fluctuate to plus minus 15, because it depends on the AIMT, it depends on the particular day, and many things it depends on. But somehow it happens that if you are, if you have done hard work, if you have been consistent, if you have done all the syllabus means like most of the syllabus, if you have done your best, then automatically in gate somehow it happens. I don't know how, but somehow it happens that automatically you get rank automatically. There are very very few, rare to rare example we have seen that even after working hard in gate, that person was not able to perform good. See, you might be thinking that okay, on that day there could be bad luck or good luck or something like that. Let me tell you one thing, that if it is your bad luck, let's suppose on gate day, okay, suppose, okay, we obviously don't wish for that, but suppose there is a bad luck and you were not able to perform as expected in on that day, still even on the bad day you will not fluctuate your rank more than 50. It will be minus 50 at most. For example, if you are if you are worth for under 100, mostly you will be under 100, but by some chance, if it is your bad day, then it could be under 150 or even 160, 170. I mean, it won't happen that from under 100 you can go to 500 eventually, like in just, just 3 hours. It won't ever happen. If it is your bad luck, it will be just plus minus 50. If it is your good luck, it will be plus 50. If it is your bad luck, it will be minus 50. But it will not be more than that. Okay. I mean, at most it could be 50, 60, but we have never seen the example, those who have worked hard still not getting the rank. So don't worry about these AIMTs. Reason being is that till now your syllabus might not be consolidated, right? I mean, things are scattered here and there. But once you reach till gate point, at that point, okay, since you have not passed through that journey, but we have seen the examples. We have like me and Deepak, we have passed through that journey multiple times. We can tell you that on the gate day, till the gate day, your syllabus will be automatically converged. Okay, you will be automatically feeling confident, and you will automatically feel like that now I can do very good in gate. Because you will look back, and when you look back and then you see that, okay, you have done your hard work throughout the year, then automatically you get confidence. I mean, it's not any magic. You see the hard work throughout the year, and then you get confident. It's very very much straightforward, and it happened with all of us. And also, at the same time, for the best of us also, it happens that we do not perform very good in the mock test. But as we keep on saying, it is just one way implication, which means if you are getting good marks, be happy, because most probably you will be getting good marks in gate. But if you are not getting good marks, it doesn't imply anything. In gate still you can do very very good. Like, there are many examples. I have just told you two examples, just like you can see one session that I have taken after the AIMT one. The session name was much needed conversation. How many of you have seen that session? In that session, I think maybe 6 7 toppers AIMT marks we have shared. Maybe let me tell you, like, we can take one more session where we can just list out all the toppers who have shared their marks publicly for AIMTs, like on the LinkedIn. So basically, or you can do this research by yourself. You can just search that go classes AIMT gate topper LinkedIn, something like that, right? And then you will see many posts that people are talking about their AIMT's marks, and then they are talking about their ranks. So there are many many examples that you will be able to see. Okay. Oh yes, some people do not write their AIMT marks, but many people write it, and then you will be able to see that, okay, there are many toppers who are getting marks around like 40 50. Still they were able to top under 500, under 300, like that. Yeah.
So overall, the point is that don't be demotivated by marks. Don't get so easily demotivated. Okay, I have seen some students, they get very easily demotivated. Okay, marks कम आ गए, demotivate हो जाता हूँ, किसी और के ज्यादा आगे demotivate हो जाता हूँ. So please don't do that. Just keep your focus, your complete energy, your thoughts, everything, your complete energy, you fully focus on the revision, improvement, analysis. And these 65 questions, these are like revision opportunity for 65 concepts. Okay, so just take them as the opportunity to improve, nothing else. If you are getting top marks, very good. Okay, if you are getting low marks, then also it is a very good thing, because now you can improve 65 concepts, you can improve. And if you do this after every test, after every IMT, after every mock test, if you do this, then definitely you will get very closer to the top rank in the gate exam. So just your complete energy, just channel that energy towards improvement, revision, analysis, these things. Please don't get so easily demotivated in life. Okay, whether it is gate exam or it is any exam or any stage of the life, then just always focus on how you can get towards your goal. Okay, not like before reaching the goal you are just okay, मेरे से नहीं होगा, या मैं इसके लिए नहीं बना हूं. Okay, like basically. And also, please stop asking other people about their opinion on your performance. Okay, basically, don't ask someone to validate your performance. Don't ask someone to validate your preparation level, all these things. Yes, you can have conversation with your friends, they can guide you that, okay, if this is your weak topic, let's do the revision, let's solve the PYQs. So this type of guidance, if someone provides you, that is very good thing. बट इफ समवन टेल्स यू कि लो मार्क्स आ रहे हैं तो ये टेस्ट सीरीज मत दो, अच्छा इधर 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 लो मार्क्स आ रहे हैं ये मत करो, इधर से डिमोटिवेट हो रहे हो तो ये मत करो, पीवाईक्यू से डिमोटिवेट हो रहे हो तो ये मत करो. So basically this type of give up, this is basically kind of give up attitude mindset. So please don't have it. And if your mentor is providing you this type of give up attitude, then also please just think for your betterment, I can say. Maybe the mentor is thinking for best of you, but maybe you can also think. You are not a child, you can think for yourself. Overall, the point is that there are 30, I think 30-35 days are remaining. So make use of them, utilize them fully, make every day count, and just keep going every day, keep going towards your goal. Okay, keep learning, keep improving, so that you become a topper in gate 2026 exam. 30 days, these are not less, let me tell you. Okay, these are significant to take your preparation to the next level. It's just a matter of revision. Whatever you have studied so far in the last 1 year, just revise those concepts. If you are making some mistakes, some silly mistake, just feed to your brain that okay, this type of silly mistake I have already made, I will not repeat this silly mistake again. If you are making some conceptual mistake, then revise the concept, solve the question again. It's just a matter of improvement every day. Okay, with everyday improvement, definitely you will get your desired rank in the gate 2026 exam. Okay, so thank you everyone. And now after this session we will start the live detailed discussion of AIMT 3 questions. Also some students are asking that gate DA AIMT 1 solution session, so that also we will do, don't worry. Okay,
Yes, for
so
GATE, CSE and DA, both we will do.
yes,
Okay, it was just the matter of time. So, we will just prioritize GATE DA now, and we will have GATE DA solutions also. Okay, don't worry about GATE DA. So we will have GATE DA solutions also. And one of the student is saying about one key correction. So we will just check. Maybe it was a typo in the key. We will just check, and then we will just
कौन से
rectify.
क्वेश्चन में?
कोई बाइनरी सर्च ट्री का कोई डीएस का क्वेश्चन होगा, तो मतलब उसमें शायद की मतलब आंसर गलत था, क्वेश्चन तो ऑब्वियसली सही है, बट ओके वी विल जस्ट चेक,
Okay,
डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, इट समटाइम्स इट हैपन एंड देन वी विल जस्ट रेक्टिफाई द की. ओके, इट वाज वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन, आई थिंक इट वाज वेरी वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन, सो मोस्ट प्रोबब्ली इट वाज जस्ट अ टाइपो. ओके. So
okay,
just yeah,
yes.
just comment and let us know that how was your experience, whether you are enjoying or not. My suggestion is that even if you are not enjoying, enjoy it. Okay. See, one thing I would say that at the end of the day you have to study. Right now you have two options: whether you study either being happy or you study either being sad. So obviously choose the right way, which is being happy. Right. So just study and be happy. Just let us know your experience in the comment section, and then we will reply. We will also we love to interact with you. So don't hesitate to interact. Like this year I'm seeing that the people are not commenting, just like last year. Last year there were many toppers who were commenting that okay, the test was good and all, and later on we were able to take that screenshot and share those things that okay, this topper has commented. I mean topper in the sense gate topper, okay, not the AMT topper. So after the gate result, we were able to share those comments. So we just request you that you just comment it anyway. Okay, like without any expectation that whether you will be topper, whether you are not topper, just comment us and let us know whether you are enjoying, which question you have enjoyed most, which subject you have enjoyed most, how was the overall experience, right? Everything you can just comment in the detailed way. You can just comment in one line, in one word, anything is fine, but it really motivate us. See, we are taking this session to motivate you. Now in the written, or not in the written, but I can say as a human, okay, we also require some motivation. If you comment, then automatically we get motivated. Anyway, we have to do our best. This is our job, but still as a psychological effect it automatically happens to all of the human, be it anyone. So just comment and let us know your experience. We will automatically get motivated to work even more hard.
And just one update I want to share with all of you, that if you missed attempting the previous AIMTs, AIMT 1, 2, 3 for Gate CS or for Gate DA, AIMT 1, AIMT 2. So basically, if you missed attempting our AIMTs and if you want to attempt them now, then you can either enroll in the Go classes test series, Gate CS test series, Gate DA test series, Gate CS plus DA test series combo. So you can either enroll in the test series, or if you only want to attempt the full length mock test, all the full length mock test including AIMTs, if you want to attempt, then you can enroll in Go classes full length mock test package. This we have launched few days back. We have launched Go classes full length mock test package for Gate CS, Gate DA, Gate CS plus DA combo. So just visit the Go classes website. There you will see on the homepage there is a button test series. You can click on that button and you will find the test series. You will find the full length mock test package. So if you want to attempt all the full length mock test of Go classes, AIMTs, and all the mock tests which were not AIMTs, basically the total number of all the full length mock test, if you want to attempt, then either you can enroll in the test series or you can enroll in the full length mock test package. Okay, so this is a small update. And one more thing actually, uh, I should not share it right now, so just I will give you a hint. Basically we are thinking, I and Sachin, we are planning something big, but I don't know whether we will be successful or not. We are basically trying. Okay, but soon, very soon, we will, if by any chance if we are successful in implementing that particular thing, that we are thinking, I and
I
Sachin,
think we
if
can
we are,
share दीपक क्योंकि
अरे
वो हो
सचिन,
ही रहा है.
थोड़ा एक अलग वीडियो में पहले एक बार,
ओके ओके
अभी
हाँ.
शेयर करना है क्या?
नहीं मतलब बाद में भी कर सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत
करते
नहीं
हैं
है.
दो, एक बार 2-3 दिन बाद एक बार
हाँ.
पहले ट्राई करते हैं अपन,
हम्म.
अगर होता है अपने से, या मतलब
हाँ.
हो पाएगा कि नहीं हो पाएगा, या क्या
नहीं
उसमें
प्रैक्टिकली
डिफिकल्टीज हैं.
पॉसिबल. हाँ.
So basically there is something big that we are planning, and I think that will be a unique thing. I think it has never happened in the gate industry. I don't know about other industries, other exams, but if we are successful in implementing this particular thing, then definitely like it will be a huge thing and you will love it. Okay, I am already having kind of goosebumps, and so you will also love it if we implement this thing. So in the upcoming days, we will let you know. So till then, you keep revising, you keep analyzing. With every question, you keep improving. With every improvement, you keep getting closer to the top rank in the GATE 2026 exam. That is your target. Just do it. Okay. Just do it with the full energy. Don't waste your energy, even 1% of energy. 1% of your energy don't waste on unnecessary thoughts, unnecessary thinking, nothing. Okay, just fully channel your complete energy towards analysis, learning, improvement, and utilizing every day, so that you become a gate 2026 topper. Okay, thank you everyone. See you in the detailed discussion session. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.